leveling the site, and precision measurements. After selecting the Giza Plateau for its solid bedrock foundation, the engineers and workers began preparing the site for the construction of the Great Pyramid. The first step was to level the ground around the planned pyramid to create a stable base. They meticulously measured and marked the corners of the pyramid to ensure that each side faced one of the cardinal directions: north, south, east, and west. Workers removed excess rock and debris from the site, clearing the area for construction. Interestingly, they incorporated a protruding section of the plateau's bedrock into the pyramid's lower layers, which can still be seen in parts of the first and second layers of the pyramid today. To ensure a smooth foundation, the workers shaped the bedrock into steps, filling any cracks with stones to create a perfectly level surface. The first layer of the pyramid was then covered with finely cut white limestone blocks from the Tura quarries, ensuring the pyramid's sides and right angles were precise. The foundation was leveled with remarkable accuracy, with height variations of no more than 21 millimeters. Despite the uneven bedrock in the center, the measurements of the pyramid's sides were incredibly precise. The alignment with true north deviates by only 3 minutes and 6 seconds to the west, a testament to the ancient Egyptians' advanced understanding of astronomy and geometry. Each side of the pyramid measures approximately 440 royal cubits, 230.383 meters, with minimal deviations, 7 centimeters on the southern side and 13 centimeters on the northern side. The corners are nearly perfect right angles, with deviations of just 2 seconds at the northwest corner, 3 minutes, and 2 seconds at the northeast corner, 3 minutes and 33 seconds at the southeast corner, and 33 seconds at the southwest corner. The pyramid's slope angle is 515,040, which, according to ancient Egyptian measurements, corresponds to a rise of 1 cubit for every 5.5 hand widths of horizontal displacement. This slope allowed the pyramid to reach its original height of 280 royal cubits, 146.59 meters. Today, due to the loss of its capstone, the pyramid stands at 138.75 meters. The core and outer casing. The Great Pyramid was originally encased in smooth, white Tura limestone, giving it a dazzling, reflective appearance. Unfortunately, most of this outer casing was stripped away over the centuries and used to build structures in Cairo. Today, only a few remnants of the casing remain at the base of the pyramid, revealing the underlying core structure. The core itself is made of locally quarried limestone blocks, each weighing between 1 to 3 tons, stacked in horizontal layers. Originally, there were 210 layers, but the top 7 layers have been lost to time. The pyramid's apex was once crowned with a small pyramidion, likely made of basalt or granite, which has also been lost. Some of the casing stones bear red markings left by workers, indicating measurements or the names of work crews. These inscriptions provide a fascinating glimpse into the organization and labor behind the pyramid's construction. The king's chamber and massive granite blocks. One of the most impressive feats of engineering in the pyramid is the construction of the king's chamber. This chamber was built using massive granite blocks, each weighing between 40 to 70 tons. These blocks were transported from Aswan, over 800 kilometers away, and lifted to a height of 70 meters during construction. The precision with which these blocks were cut and placed is astounding, especially considering the lack of modern tools. Workers also left markings on some of the stones, including inscriptions referencing Pharaoh Khufu, further linking the pyramid to its royal builder. The outer casing, a lost marvel. The outer casing of the Great Pyramid was a marvel in itself. The smooth, white limestone blocks were so precisely cut and fitted that the joints between them were nearly invisible. Flinders Petrie, a renowned Egyptologist, described the precision as equal to that of an optician's work today, but on a scale of acres. He marveled at how the builders achieved such accuracy without the use of mortar, calling it almost impossible. Sadly, much of this casing was lost in a massive earthquake in 1300 AD, after which the stones were repurposed for buildings in Cairo. Early explorers described piles of rubble at the base of the pyramid, remnants of the collapsed casing. Over time, these were cleared away, leaving only a few casing stones at the base, as a reminder of the pyramid's original splendor, a legacy of precision and ingenuity. The construction of the Great Pyramid of Giza is a testament to the ancient Egyptians' unparalleled skill in engineering, mathematics, and astronomy. Every aspect of the pyramid, from its precise alignment to the cardinal directions to the seamless fitting of its massive stones, reflects a deep understanding of science and a commitment to perfection. Today, as we stand before the Great Pyramid, we are reminded of the ingenuity and ambition of the people who built it. It is not just a monument to a pharaoh, but a symbol of human achievement that continues to inspire and wonder. The Great Pyramid of Giza is a story carved in stone, a legacy that has endured for over 4,500 years and will continue to captivate generations to come. What should be the topic of our next video? If you enjoyed this story about my life, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment.